Hey everyone, this is Dennis, aka Stock Operator, breaking down my trades for today. Not many trades, just closed some losers on Friday, since Friday, and locked some profits for winners. End up being green, so could be very green because of my losing trades. So I want to break down those losers and show you what kind of mistakes I did. So I had a few trades on Friday, and I took them because of the bounce, but there were more negative on my side than the positive. So I shouldn't take, first of all, so many names in the same group, A and B. The group was weak. I'm talking about software names. So APPS, it's still holding this bottom. As you can see, it did bounce on this breakout area, but the group software is really weak. We had actually a nice volume coming in today. I don't know if it's a bounce volume, deep buy. Let's look at a smaller frame. Yeah, it was an open. Probably, you see, I got stopped out literally here at the bottom. I guess penny to the penny. So the stock still looks okay, but the market should kind of reverse and show the bullishness here. The other ticker I took was CRM for reversal. Also had a lot of weakness today, straight from the open sell, and I didn't wait for the stop to get out earlier. Here's another one I took. Decided to try this Jets ETF. It just didn't hold this and didn't elevate higher, so we had a big selling at the open, and I just get out before hitting my stop. So, and lastly, as was such a good name on Friday, but very strong selling. This one actually get me out pretty quick at the stop around the 52. The loss was lower. This is the whole entire daily range because I was entering right here 54s. I think it was a really nice run. Unfortunately, it's just a selling group. You know, the softwares are really weak, and you get market also selling cues, right? And SPY not helping it, Dow, the weakness all over the place. So the other two trades we took, CCJ. This one also I had it. I had it since Friday. I got out of this trade, took profit on the top, and I think I got stepped out here. Unfortunately, no follow through on this one. Small profit, nothing big. And today's two trades was actually CEIX. It was a Friday trade, still working, very strong push. Sold most today, holding a little piece for a bigger, longer swing. We'll see where it's gonna go. So holding my stop around this 30. I'm gonna trail and see where we're heading. So the oil, you know, the sector leading group is very strong. So, and the lastly, I took this trade HUT, also a little bit tough. I sold most. I took a big of a size because the risk was so tiny here. The risk was roughly, I was entering right here, the 40, 41, right here on this candle, 41. My stop was below here, 27. So below the breakdown, and I was actually thinking about take 500 shares off if it starts breaking below this breakout area. As you can see right here, 34. So below 34, I was thinking about get out of the half of it and hold the rest of the half towards this 26. So I sold some into this pop and holding a couple hundred shares, nothing big, for bigger push. This one actually looking interesting for bigger cap and handle. I posted this yesterday on Twitter. Look at the volume increasing for the push higher. So let's see if this is going to elevate towards this 1025, 1046, maybe even 11s, build this bigger handle. And those kind of trades we had today. Overall market is weak, but there's a lot of green on my watch list. A lot of good stocks, and we were talking about SI today. Had a pretty good deep buy opportunity, as you can see if you scale down on a lower time frame. if you were watching in the open, this a little aggressive deep buy. The second deep buy, I get alert, but I didn't take it. If you didn't take this one, it's fine. There's also another entry came right here. So on the push above this trend line, above the level, after this candle for the high of the day breakout. So somewhere here would be okay area probably to go long again, risking this 126. And as you can see, it ended up elevating like crazy. We need a pullback for this context, 118 to 142. That's a big run. It was an important area breakout. We need a pullback, a deeper pullback, right? So, but this is typical stage 2 breakout right here, stage 2 breakout. Now we need a pullback. There's another one, BG, kind of on stage 2, but there is no volume on a breakout. You see the difference here? There's no really volume coming in on a breakout compared to SI, a lot of volume and so much strength. This thing moved almost triple ATR, guys. Look at this. 3 ATRs per day. That's a lot from the bottom, right? There are other good setups. We saw like Ford was a decent play right at the open, could take this high of the day breakout, not a high of the day, the prior day high breakout. But you gotta take some profits, because if you don't take it, you see what happens. Nice flag, just no follow through, came to the prior area and getting smacked. A lot of oil names, very strong. A lot of some other areas, like a little bit of industrials here, as you can see on the green. Mosaic still performs well. Here's another one, BTU, and bunch of oil and energy. CEIX, interesting, also looking for potential stage 2 breakout, something to watch. Alert 2470, maybe a little constructive pullback here one more time, kind of build up and break over 2470. But if it starts breaking 2470 here, maybe it is worth trying it for potential push higher. As you can see, it's bullish over the point of control on a bigger time frame, so I would probably look towards targets around this 27 and 28s. All right, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.